Excessive humidity is the invisible enemy that often wreaks havoc in a crawl space and in the home itself. Crawl spaces are typically cooler than the outside air in the summer. So when you bring warm, humid air into a crawl space, that air gets cool and the relative humidity goes way up. For example, when you put a cold water bottle outside and leave it in the heat, eventually it looks like it's sweating and creates condensation. The same thing happens with your crawl space when you mix the inside air with the humid air that's outside. Many years ago, crawl space vents were added to building code as a way to combat excess moisture and humidity. The thought was if we have more airflow, we'll have less humidity. Well, they were wrong. During those hot, humid summer days, those vents let hot, humid air into the crawl space. And during the cold winter days, those vents let ice cold air into the crawl space. At least 50% of the air in a crawl space flows up and into the house above. So what's the result? Mold growth, wood rot, odors, unhealthy air, and increased HVAC bills. What's the answer? Well, the answer is a dry, sealed, encapsulated crawl space with a commercial-grade dehumidification system that can clean the air and maintain a safe and healthy humidity level. Don't let excessive humidity wreak havoc on your home and your family's health. Give us a call. We'd be happy to help and restore your peace of mind.